Jason, 2-pointer. Uy, short. Uy, 3-pointer. Ganda nun. 3-0. Number 11. Jericho. Layup. Uy, sayang. Good, good. Kidder. Piso. 3-2. Tyrone again. Number 13, lead pass. Grabe Hassle Jason, crossover. Floater. 5-2. 11 minutes, 41 seconds. Steal. Oy! Kidder, nice pass. 5-4. 11 minutes, 20 seconds. Tonga, libre. Side step. 7-4. Parang nga. Natuyo. Uy, gitna. Kidder. Easy 2 points. 7-6. Floater is good. 9-6. 2v1. Nice. 9-8. Jericho. So Tyrone. Jason. Atake. Oy, soft touch. 11-8. Kidder. Uy, ang ganda nun. Kanya pa rin. Corner. $13-8. Uy, ang ganda. Showtime 13-10. 9 minutes, 28 seconds.
Ito kayo dyan dito. 13.
Stop mo na natin. Uy, dire-diretso. Grabe. Jericho, steal. Number 13. Oy.
Hindi nakikita yung signal.
Ay, ikaw na dito. Ganun yun. Sundan mo lang. Steal! Ablay. Number 13. Keeter, libre. 13-12. 1 point lead. Panglamang, nice block. 8 minutes, 45 seconds. 1 point lead. Offensive team. Inbound. Tyrone. Pass to Jason. Shot fake. 2-pointer. Rebound. Number 20. Coast to coast. Yun. Change favor. 14-13. Jericho libre. Floater. Change favor. 15-14. Nice steal. Oy, sayang, short. 7 minutes, 53 seconds. Half step.
Hindi ka makadakdak, no?
Change favor. 16-15. Tyrone. Drop pass. 2 points. Change favor. 17-16.
Ilang minutes pa kayo?
12.
Hindi,
7 minutes. 7 minutes, 25. Oy!
bado na rin yung kasama.
Change favor. 18-17. Jason again. Ay, in and out. Header. Backdoor. Reverse layup. Change favor. Ay, mali pala. 20-16. 4 point lead. Yape, libre. Short. 6 minutes, 36 seconds, 16-20 in favor of the offensive team. 4 point lead.
Kompleto na player next game. Kompleto na player next game.
Hindi pa, may 5 pa. Pagpapahingayin natin yung iba. Heater, 3-pointer. Ay, long 2 pala, long 2. 6 point lead. 22-16. Jericho, screenplay. Kick out. Tyrone. Short. 6 minutes, 36 seconds. Out of bounds. 6 minutes, 27 seconds, 22-16. Number 11. Long 2. Short. Yape to Tyrone. Tyrone. Backdoor pass. 2 points. 22-18. Still a close game. Uy! 24-18.
How much go?
6 minutes, 26 seconds. Tyrone, corner 3. Short. Rebound, number 13.
Kaya na!
Number 20. 1v1. Foul. Mid-air.
Stop time mo.
Hindi. Minsan lang pagka yung matagal masyado, para masulit din eh. Ang next 5 is 1, 2. Sila Yape pa rin. Nice shot!
2 points. Dito yung
26-18. Acrobatic shot, no good. Number 20. 10 point lead.
pahali. Yan yun na humihingi.
Yape. Step back. Steal. Tyrone. Uy! Tawag. 10 point lead. 28-18. Uy, oo. Kamusta, Jervin? Okay lang.
Sayang.
Sino?
Ay, sabi nyo ng orange.
Ay, totoo? Yape! 2 points. Sila ano?
Counted ka.
Basket counted. Keeter. Crossover. Stop and pop. 2 points.
10 points sila.
Shooter. 30-20. Wing shot. 3 points. From the wing. Keeter. Uy! Clutch! Double clutch. Jumper. 32-23. 4 minutes, 54 seconds. Tyrone, give and go.
Ang tunog nun
Number 11. Uy! Corkscrew. Grabe.
Galing pala.
Jason! Uy, short! May tawag? Ano yan? Travel daw, travel.
Ganyan.
Sige, next game na yan. Sabay na kayo. Magkakampi kayo?
Hindi, pwede. Wala.
Keeter. Uy! Check ball. Jason. Pushing the basketball.
Wala pa sa...
Uy! Float.
Kulang ano yun. Nakalastis na yan.
Apply. Oops. He lost it. Turnover.
Score mo dyan.
32-25. 3 minutes, 52. 32-25. Lamang sila. 3 minutes, 49. Yape to Tyrone. Number 11.
Dito lang din. Dito.
34-25. Ay, bro. Ka na. Para balance eh. Yung mga hindi pa nakakalaro.
Nung nakarang kasi ang dami. Parang nasa 20. No?
Yape! Backdoor! Pagod data eh. Uy, sidestep.
Next game na tayo.
Keeter, fake. Oops, in and out. Put back, no good. Yape. Tyrone, layup. Oy. Flores, apply. Oy. 36-25.
Onse.
Hang time ah. Yape, behind the back. Ano? Travel. 2 minutes, 27 seconds. 2 minutes 26. 36-25. 11-point lead. Short. Jumper is short. Oops! Santa Ana!
Si Gider, oh.
Kider na naman.
Nasa pala yun.
Mahusay pumasok si Kider, no? Shooter pa. Kider.
Parang
Ay,
may mata sa
alas.
likod eh.
Out of bounds. Last touch, Jericho.
May ano yun eh. May mata sa likod. Ano, nakatalikod. Biglang pumasok pa ganun yun. Sakto-sakto. Pagkasalaksak niya dito, tapos talikod na. Ito biglang ano na. Tapos sa ilalim yung bola.
Mga pasa ng mga maliliit eh, no?
Tataas to mo lang eh.
1 minute, 56 seconds.
Ayan o, abangan mo. Pinaka...
Kider again. Screen. Oops!
Kinakapan niyo pa.
11-point lead ha. 1 minute, 40 seconds.
Pero pahali. Hindi na kaya na bola.
Tinawag kang pogi, oh. Kider, 2-pointer. Number 11. 1 minute, 17 seconds. Oy! 27-36.
1 minute.
Wow!
1 minute, 3 seconds.
1 minute and 3 seconds. 36-27.
Hindi rin ako masyado nakapaglaro kanina.
Kaya nga. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Pumasok eh.
Apat lang daw yung ano, ilan lamang.
Apat lang.
Pinag-ano ko
Card out daw to eh.
Gigigil ako eh. Dapat yung referee na lang sinasakal ko eh.
1 minute, 3 seconds. Oy! Sablay.
Good ball. 56 seconds.
56 seconds.
Minsan to kami sa minsan to kayo.
Diliman. 3-pointer, Jason. Ang lakas.
Live ball yun, no? 33 seconds.
Number 13. Layup is good. 38-27. 38-27. Ah!
Ayaw dumakdak.
13 seconds.
3?
2 points. 10 seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. 3
Two.
seconds.